Hand signals are used by beach volleyball players to indicate the kind of block they intend to make. Each team has their own, but I'm going to show you a few basic ones now. But first, two things to remember. Number one, each hand represents one opponent. So my left hand represents how I intend to block the opponent standing to my left, and my right hand indicates how I intend to block the opponent standing to my right. Number two, a 1 sign represents a straight block, and a 2 sign represents an angled block. Here are some examples. This is a 1-1 combination. I'm saying I'm going to make straight blocks for both opponents. If the opponent on my left is spiking, as shown in the diagram on the left, I will block the area directly in front of him. So to cover the defense, my teammate will position himself to my right. Now look at the diagram on the right. In this instance, the opponent to my right is spiking, and I'm going to block the area directly in front of him, which in this case is the right side of the court. My teammate will have to move to the left. This is a 2-2 combination. I'm saying I'm going to make angled blocks for both opponents. If the opponent on my left is spiking, as shown in the diagram on the left, I will block the area diagonally to the right in front of him. So to cover the defense, my teammate will position himself to my left. Now look at the diagram on the right. Here it is the opponent on the right who is spiking, and I'm going to block the area diagonally to the left. My teammate will have to move to the right. You can also combine the signals. In this 1-2 combination, I'm saying I'm going to make a straight block for the opponent on my left and an angled block for the opponent on my right. Either way, my teammate will have to position himself to the right. In this 2-1 combination, I'm saying I'm going to make an angled block for the opponent on my left and a straight block for the opponent on my right. Either way, my teammate will have to position himself on the left. And then there's this. I'm telling my teammate, serve to the player on my left, and I will counter him with an angled block. Players usually ask teammates to serve to a particular player when this player is either weak at receiving serves or at spiking, since the opponent who receives the serve will usually be the one who spikes it 2 moves later.
If, for example, if I do not want to do a block, I want to fake my opponent by doing a flick, like just a motion of blocking, but I want to peel back off. Peeling back means I want to go back to my defensive position. Okay, I will do something like this. Okay, so I will tell you that I will go back. Okay, 2 is diagonal, so I will move back diagonal by doing this. If I do this, I'll move back my line.